What's up, y'all? It's Susie Wong back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing this makeup look right here. I'm doing a pretty much a simple, natural kind of look today where it's not too much. A little lash, a little bronze, and some nude lips. You can wear this to work, to school. It can be a back to school makeup look. It could be a back to work, whatever you want to be it, whatever you want to call it, whatever you would like it to be. Keep on watching and you'll see how I created this look. And by the way, this is day 7 hair. Yes, believe it or not, I have not done a wash and go since the last time, which was last Monday. And yeah, I don't know how I got this to last 7 days. Well, I do know how. If you want to know how though, let me know down below. Comment in the comment section. Would you like to see another video about how to maintain your curly hair? How I sleep with my hair to keep the curls looking nice and defined. I do have some frizz, but I don't mind frizz. It gives me some volume, some movement, just looking all luxurious or whatever. Okay, so now we're going to start working on the face. I'm just gonna get my hair out of the way. Okay, so now that I look crazy and my hair out the way, we can start by putting on our moisturizer. Well, actually my face is already moisturized and prepped. So today I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is in the shade 350. I'm just going to add like 2 pumps of this to the back of my hand. And that's how the color looks. I like to use a brush for my foundation. I feel like it gives me more coverage. Not that right now I need a whole bunch of coverage, but I do feel like a brush gives it like a nicer, everybody has their own preference. Some people like a sponge, some people like a brush. I prefer a brush. So the brush that I'm going to be using is a Sephora brand brush, and it's the Sephora Mineral Powder Brush. So that's the brush I'm going to be using. Yeah, focus, fix. And so I'm going to just put this on all over the face. I have a little bit left on my hand. I'm just going to blend this in. Take a little bit more off the back of my hand, whatever I had left, and just continue to blend it out and get the right amount of coverage that you need. After we've completed putting on our foundation, I'm going to move on to the brows. And for the brows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade. And I have 2 colors here. I have dark brown and I also have chocolate. So I'm going to be using those 2 colors to achieve my go-to brow look. I usually use a darker color on the outer portions of my brow and then the lighter color on the inner portions of my brow to give it a nice gradient fade to make it look more realistic and more natural. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm guessing this is a brow brush because I mean, it wouldn't make sense if it's a brow brush because it has a spoolie and it has the end that's kind of tilted. So first I'm going to go on with the darker of the 2. I'm just going to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing with the brows. Now I'm going to use a chocolate for the inner portion of my brow. Okay, so now that our brows look nice and sharp, yeah, we're gonna use the spoolie side of the brush and blend it out. So now I'm gonna use my ColourPop concealer, and this is the color. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand here, like so. So I got a good amount of that there. I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. It's the number 18 brush to carve out my brows. Use a Luxie 120 brush it has like a fluffy little tip to blend out. So now I'm going to use a darker concealer to do the top of my brows. Or you could use your foundation just to give it a sharper looking brow, as if you just came from the nail salon and them Chinese people wax your brows. Yeah. Even though I don't get my brows waxed from them because I don't really trust them. And you can use our foundation brush to do the rest of it. So the next thing I'm going to do is put some powder on. Actually, no. The next thing I'm going to do is put some concealer under the eyes. So I'm going to use the same ColourPop concealer. And do a little bit of the forehead. I don't want to highlight too much of my forehead because, yeah, I don't have a tiny forehead. So for this, we're going to use a beauty blender. I did let the concealer sit for a little while before starting to blend it in. So we're going to blend out the chin first. Now we're gonna hurry up and set under the eye just to make sure we don't have any creasage problems. I'm gonna be using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Just gonna dip that right in the beauty blender. set everywhere that I did put the concealer. Now I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder. This is more like a full coverage powder. And this is in the shade NC45. I'm going to use this to set everywhere else that I did not set with the transition powder. I got this brush from TJ Maxx. It's, that's the brand. And it's really big and it's really fluffy, so I thought it'd be a good powder brush. Okay, so now that we have powdered everything, now it's time to bronze the skin. I'm kind of ashamed to show this bronzer. It's really, really old. I need to get a new one. But it's the NARS Casino bronzer. Love this bronzer for my skin tone. And I'm going to use a Sephora brush. And this is the Pro Contour brush from Sephora. I'm just going to wheel that around in there, knock off the excess. I'm going to go right in the natural, where my contour naturally starts, right in there. Now we're gonna get a brush that is much smaller and much more detailed to contour the nose. So I'm gonna use the Luxie Detailed Angled Blender brush. So I'm gonna use this blush from Tarte. This is called Feisty. I'm gonna be using my Luxie blush brush. I'm gonna lightly dust this on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter right now, and that's the Ofra Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Rodeo Drive. This is like everything. And I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This is the A23 brush to highlight. Make sure you blend out your highlighter. You don't want your highlight to just be like in one spot and it just looks like a big old oily blotch. So look at that glow. So now for the lips, I'm going to use this MAC lip liner in Cork. It's my go-to lip liner. I'm just gonna line my lips. I'm gonna use this sample. I got this in an Ipsy bag. It's a Tarte, it's not a lip paint. It's not one of those shades that stay on, like, so it's not a stain. It's more like a just a matte, like, lipstick, liquid lipstick. And I could leave it like this and wear it matte, or I can put some gloss. I like to put gloss sometimes, so in this one I'm gonna use gloss. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty lip gloss. This is the original gloss that she came out with. I think for this look, because we're trying to keep it simple and very minimal, we're just gonna put some mascara on and add some falsies. I'm going to use the Lancome Big Lash to add some mascara to my eyes. So we can leave it like this, or we can add our lashes. I love lashes. I love different type of lashes. I like natural lashes, long lashes, wispy lashes especially. So I'm gonna add some lashes. Now I have my lashes on, and these lashes are from Velour Lashes. And these are in the style... I don't know the style of these lashes. Gosh. I guess it was in the packaging that it came in. Oh well, they're pretty much mink lashes. I'm just going to add a little bit of liner. I'm going to use this ColourPop cream gel liner to the bottom of my eyes, just to add a little bit more dimension, a little bit more darkness, a little bit more mystery. Whew, I hate doing that. It always makes me tear up. This is the final look. Let me guys know what you think about it. Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section below. I listed everything in the video, so it won't be in the description box. This is my natural, well, as natural as it gets for me, because I just love makeup. Everyday look. You can wear this to school, to work. I mean, you can minus the lashes. You can do just lip gloss and no lip liner and lipstick. It's pretty much up to you. Please don't forget to subscribe, support my channel by liking, sharing the video in the comment section below. Let me know what you would like me to do next, and if you like this look. See you next time. Bye. Can you be my... Yes, I'll be your wifey. Yeah, 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 yeah.